Welcome. Today we're going to walk through how to start a video call on Discord using the latest update on PC. If you've just joined Discord or you're simply getting familiar with the new layout, don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to kick off a video call with your friends or community. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and allow the app a moment to load. Once it's open, you'll see your list of servers and direct messages on the left-hand side. Next, find the chat where you want to start a call. This can either be a direct message with a single friend or a group chat with multiple people. Just click on that conversation to open the chat window. At the top right corner of the chat screen, you'll see some icons. Look for the small video camera icon. This is the button for starting a video call. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you do, Discord will begin calling the other person or group. If the person accepts, the video window will open, and you'll immediately be connected face-to-face. From there, you can adjust the controls at the bottom of the screen. You'll see options to mute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, and even share your screen if you'd like. One thing to remember is that the new update has made the video call interface smoother and easier to use. The buttons are more visible, and transitioning between video and voice is much quicker. This means you can switch to a voice call without ending the session, or turn on your video at any point during the conversation. If you're in a larger group chat, Discord will neatly arrange everyone's video feeds in a grid so you can easily see all participants. And if you want to focus on a single person, you can click on their video to bring it into full screen mode. That's all it takes. Open Discord, pick the chat you want, click the video icon, and you're live on camera. With just these few steps, you'll be ready to make your conversations more personal and interactive.